Hello everyone. This is Mathu from Growbook Multi Venture Limited. Today I am going to talk about Kudremukh tourism. Before getting into this topic, please subscribe this channel and write down your comments if any. Kudremukh is a scenic hill station located in the Chikmagalur district of the Indian state of Karnataka. It is known for its rolling hills, dense forests, and diverse wildlife. Here are some of the top tourist attractions in Kudremukh. Kudremukh National Park. This national park is known for its rich biodiversity and is home to several endangered species, including the lion-tailed macaque and the Indian wild dog. Kudremukh Peak. This is the highest peak in the Kudremukh range and is a popular trekking destination, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Hanuman Gudi Falls. This picturesque waterfall is located amidst lush greenery and is a popular spot for picnics and photography. Kadambi Falls. This waterfall is located near the Kudremukh National Park and is surrounded by dense forests, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers. Gangamula Hill. This is the birthplace of three important rivers in Karnataka and is also home to a cave temple dedicated to the Hindu sage Rishi Agastya. Trekking. Kudremukh is a popular destination for trekking enthusiasts, with several trekking routes of varying difficulty levels available. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. This wildlife sanctuary is located near Kudremukh and is home to several species of animals, including elephants, tigers, and leopards. Kudremukh is located around 350 kilometers from Bangalore and is easily accessible by road. The best time to visit is between October and May, when the weather is pleasant and the landscape is at its most beautiful. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with a new video shortly. Stay tuned with Growbook.